Top 3 free apps to watch movies in iPhone. In this video, I will show you top 3 free apps to watch movies in iPhone, which is 100% legal apps. The first app is Plex. Plex lets you stream hundreds of free full-length movies and TV shows on your iPhone without any subscription. You'll find titles from studios like A24, Warner Brothers across every genre. Beyond movies, Plex offers over 600 live TV channels, including Fox Sports and PBS Antiques Roadshow. All you need to do is download Plex from the App Store, open it, and then tap to play. On this application, no account or payment is required to browse or stream free content. Next application is FlixHouse. It is a completely free ad-supported app dedicated to independent cinema. Once you download it, you can watch movies, documentaries, and TV shows created by independent filmmakers and producers driven by their love of cinema and arts. The catalog spans every major genre, including action, children and family, classics, comedies, drama, sci-fi, fantasy, thrillers, and much more. Next one is Filmzie. Filmzie is a free 100% legal platform for streaming high-quality movies primarily from independent filmmakers and small studios. After installing Filmzie from the App Store, you gain access to hundreds of hours of HD quality content, award-winning movies, and mind-blowing shorts. Every time you watch a film on Filmzie, short ads help to fund the project and reward the filmmaker behind the platform. There's no subscription fees or in-app purchase. New titles are added regularly, and by browsing Filmzie's indie film scene, you actively support small studio productions. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.